Hi, this is Matt Lippin with Remax Lakes Realty. Today I'm over at Homestead Cooperative in Spirit Lake, which is a 55 and up development. Here we're at a 1-bedroom, 1-bath unit. We've got the dining room, full kitchen. You've got a walk-in closet there for storage. You've got another walk-in closet down the hall for storage. Lots of natural lighting here. You've got the family room. Nice little patio here. Not all of these units have this. This is a big bonus. Really kind of fun. You got parking for yourself and guests right outside. And here's your bedroom. Got a walk-in closet over there. Here's the bathroom. Again, this is called Homestead Cooperative. It's very unique in that you share expenses somewhat like a condo. Your dues are $460 a month here, which you may think sounds high at first, but when you start thinking about the savings, it's actually quite great. Here's kind of a quick glance at what it covers. Covers taxes, all utilities, trash removal, all your insurance, lawn care, snow removal. Maintenance reserve is a big one. These are on schedules where you get updated painting and floor coverings, and if you have any issues with your appliances, they're covered in the dues. It's really a great deal. There's garage spaces that are limited, but they come up time to time for $50 a month extra. There's also woodworking rooms and laundry on site and a library and all kinds of good stuff. So come check this out. Give me a call at 712-330-0604. Again, this is Matt Lippin with Remax Lakes Realty. Thank you.